Peter Obi, Alex Oti, Governor of River State, and other dignitaries shut down Abia State to attend the burial of the Reverend Dr. Umah Ukpai, who was laid to rest. Please make sure you share this video. Make sure you share this video. Copy the link of this video and send someone. Don't forget to follow Casa TV on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.
Okay, governors coming here. What? Very well. What? Your Excellency. Go back.
Friends from all parts of Ghana and rural Ghana and society. Governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Oti, OBI. Let me also join you ask you to join me as I welcome a patriotic Nigerian of note, a great leader in his right, our own dear.
Because he himself not only was he disobedient to God, he was living in sin. That's why he knew it worked. Now, how does he apply to us?
You are praying for them, you are praying for your own family. Say with me, say, Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, we are dedicating this family back to you. Our daddy has gone to rest, but he's still with us. None of this family, none of the member of the family will have any bad story. Father, right from their mother to the least child, to their grandchildren, their own children, their own life.
Me, also from Akwa Ibom State. Right Honorable Mrs. Precious Sarah, right.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for joining us today to honor our father in the Lord. Distinguished Senator Edina Maribe, former Deputy Governor of Abia State, Senator representing Abia South in the Red Chambers. And to the family of the bereaved, we can weep, but not that kind of weepers, because our God knows where he is headed. If you weep so much, maybe you are weeping for yourself, but for him, it is clear where he is headed. No matter the direction one, I have no doubt that our brother and all those who died in the Lord will wake up with the Lord and we will meet together again.
Governor, His Excellency, the Governor of Bayelsa State and his dear wife. All of you, everybody here, thank you for finding time to be in Abia State for this celebration of our